Hey guys, good morning or good afternoon for whatever time you're watching this video. Welcome or welcome back. It's Victoria. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my morning braces routine. So if you're interested to see how my morning braces routine differs from my nighttime routine, just keep on watching. Make sure you give this video a like, leave a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Alright, let's get into this video. Okay, so now that I am back, it is now 11:37 and I am just gonna first go ahead and start off with my water flosser to begin to help rinse out any of the food particles that may have been left in my mouth. Now, I did my research on this and it is recommended by the American Dental Association to brush your teeth 30 minutes to an hour later after you eat a meal. So that way the saliva in your mouth can help wash down the food particles that are in your mouth. So if you choose not to wait 30 minutes till an hour to brush your teeth after you ate breakfast or especially any type of acidic food, then you can be doing some damage to your enamel, and you can also throw off the pH level in your mouth. And on the flip side, if you want to brush your teeth as soon as you wake up, you can definitely do that as well. It's just depending on what you like to do. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna go in with my Colgate Cavity Protection Fluoride Toothpaste, and actually I am not going to be using my electric toothbrush. No, I do not use my electric toothbrush in the morning. I feel as though I do such a rigorous cleaning job at nighttime. I prefer to use a manual toothbrush in the morning. This is just my preference. This is the Colgate Wave ZigZag toothbrush, and you can get these from Walmart or Target or anywhere that sells toothbrushes. As always, I will leave the links in the description box so you guys can check that out, but now I'm just going to go ahead and use the one that I already have open, and I like the size of the bristles and how big it is, so I'm just going to go ahead and put some toothpaste and begin to brush my teeth. Alright guys, so here I just want to show you guys how I brush my teeth. I know I tried to explain this to you guys on my nighttime braces routine, but I feel like I did a bad job, so I am going to try again. So the first thing that I do is I like to go on the bottom row of my teeth, and I go underneath my wires and the bottom half of my brackets to brush my teeth. I go on the left side and I brush on the right side. Then I like to go on that same bottom row, but just flip my toothbrush and go on the top of the brackets. And as you are brushing the outer surface of your teeth, also make sure you are brushing the inner surface of your teeth, so the surface that's closest to where your tongue is. So then I like to go on top and brush the top portion of my teeth, which is closest to my gum line, and then I do the same exact thing, flip my toothbrush upside down at an angle and brush underneath my wire, and then I make sure I brush the inner surface of my top teeth as well, and then I just go in like circular motions to brush all of my teeth together. I hope that made sense. I'm trying my best to explain this, but it's kind of hard, but hopefully you get what I'm saying. If you see what I'm doing, then you'll understand what I'm saying. Now I'm just going to go in and brush my tongue. Guys, make sure you brush your tongue because there's a lot of bacteria on your tongue. This toothbrush also has the tongue brusher scrubber on it, so I'm just going to use that as well. And now I'm just going to go in with my Oral-B satin floss. I love this floss. It is amazing, and it is very easy to weave through my brackets, and I'm just going to go in and floss. So I know a lot of people was asking like, how do you floss with your braces, and I have a video explaining all the tools that I use to floss, so make sure you guys are subscribed so you are notified when that video comes out. So now I'm just going to go in with my Crest Advanced Pro Health Enamel Care Fluoride Mouthwash and pour some into the cap and swish it around for about 30 seconds to a minute. So guys, if you are enjoying what you are seeing so far, if you learned anything valuable, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, so I know that you are enjoying this video. Okay, so now that is done, and after I give you guys a close-up of my teeth, I don't know why I always feel like I have to do this, but yeah, they look really clean. I'm going to go in with my Aquaphor Lip Repair. You guys already know this is my favorite lip balm to use because it is very moisturizing, and I highly recommend you guys getting it if you do have chapped lips. Now I'm just going to go in and finish up my morning routine, just applying some moisturizer to my face. Let me know if you guys want to see a skincare routine. Alright guys, and that is going to complete my morning braces routine. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and got some valuable information out of it. And I wanted to let you guys know that I'm very appreciative of each and every one of you who have been subscribing to my channel and supporting me thus far. I really appreciate your support. It means a lot to me, and I am just so grateful for you all. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.